According to JD and J Research, 2,700 books are published every day, so there is always a need for book reviewers. I think every author is an avid reader, so why not get paid for what you love? I believe the internet has huge money-making opportunities. All you have to do is look for opportunities in different areas of interest. If you enjoy reading books or have a great voice to record your audio, you can make it a side hustle and make money. I have listed some sites where you as a reader can make money by writing book reviews and recording audiobooks. One thing to keep in mind, this is not a full-time job and it is not a get-rich scheme. You also won't make crazy money, but it will make you more productive and intellectual as you will read books by different authors that interest you. Booklist reviews 7,500 titles every year, and their audiences are librarians, booksellers, and educators. Their main aim is to attract librarians by suggesting the best book so that they can purchase it as soon as it becomes available in the market. They focus on genres like adult books, books for youth, graphic novels, etc. All you have to do is write a very short review of 150 to 175 words for them, but before applying, make sure you go to their website and check their requirements. This website pays $15 per book review. ACX is the platform where you can record a book and get paid for it. The books consist of different types of genres, which are sold on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. All you have to do is create your profile, upload a few samples, and give an audition for the book you are interested in narrating. For that, you have to record the manuscript in a few minutes. If your voice gets approved, you will get an offer and you can start recording the book and earn money. This website pays between $150 to $250 per hour, where you can opt for a royalty share, which means whenever the book is purchased, you get 50% of it. Findaway Voice is a platform where you can give audition for books that will be recommended to you after you sign up as a narrator. In an audition, you have to record the book in a few minutes. The author of the book will select the specific narrator based on their talent. So, make sure you have some great audio samples beforehand to attract authors to narrate their books. This website pays between $150 to $300 per hour. Kirkus Review is an American magazine that reviews more than 10,000 titles every year. They are mostly looking for English and Spanish good book reviewers. They accept reviews of any book length for all types of genres. The book can be in digital or paperback form. All you have to do is write a 350-word review 2 weeks after a book is allotted. Voices have narrators from 160 countries and work in 221 different languages. They operate with the biggest brands like Microsoft, Shopify, Cisco, Discovery, etc. On Voices, you can browse freelancing voice skills for audiobooks, podcasting, documentaries, voice assistant, etc. For becoming a narrator for an audiobook, you have to sign up by setting up your profile and uploading good audio samples. After that, you can start auditioning for different available jobs. Freelancers can review books for the U.S. Review of Books and can earn money. All you have to do is send your resume, sample work, and at least 2 professional preferences to the following email. After your application gets accepted, you can write paid reviews based on the request of the book you need to review. You have to write 250 to 300 word reviews and need to submit them in 2 to 3 weeks. In that, you can add quotes from the book, descriptions of the author, and the gist of the book. Online Book Club is a transparent website. It's not a one-way lucky stream of income. It has its fair price disclosed. For the first review of the book, they will just provide a book for free. From the second review, you will officially be eligible for the paid review, and as well as you will get the book for free. All they want is an honest review of the book. As they say, they pay narrators for a fair and smart review and not for a positive review. This website pays between $5 to $60 per review. Women's Review of Book is a deeply respected publication. It is the longest-running publication since 1983 and is a part of Wellesley Centers of Women. They review different genres like fiction, visual books, poetry, and biographies. Before becoming a reviewer for it, understand that its writers are great journalists, academics, and experienced reviewers. So before you pitch, make sure you are highly qualified for it to get accepted. This amazing website pays $100 per review. These websites are the way to focus on your self-growth as a writer and a reader. When you will read more books, you will understand the writing style of different authors. So keep exploring the different areas of your hobby and do what makes you happy. These websites are a little gist to guide you, but make sure to do your own research before pitching. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.